There are many ways to cook beef, but oven roasting is one of the easiest methods. To cook a thick cut of beef in the oven, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. Rub the beef with olive oil and season it to taste with salt, pepper, and any other spices of your choice. Place the beef in a roasting pan and put it in the oven. The time it takes to cook the beef depends on the cut and how well done you want it to be. In general, for a medium rare beef roast, aim for about 30 minutes per pound, or 0.45 kilograms of meat. If your beef is still underdone when you check on it, let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, then check again. Use a meat thermometer to check the temperature of the thickest part of the beef. It's rare at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius, medium rare at 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, medium at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius, and well done at 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 77 degrees Celsius.